Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I will be showing you how to fix downloading failed, file not found 404 error on FitGirl Repack while installation of any game. It's really easy to fix this error. Before beginning to this video, consider subscribing my channel for more tech videos. First let me show you I'm trying to install this game that is from FitGirl Repack. As you can see, I'm facing this error. So now I'm gonna fix it. So what you're gonna do, you need to exit this setup and open this setup again and run it as administrator. Select language, click on next, again next. Then you need to select the install directory where you have to install this game. Alright, now you're gonna select the language and scroll down the option down below. Here you have to uncheck last two options, download and install C++, uncheck it and uncheck the second one also. Then you have to click on install and the problem has been resolved. Now you can see the game is ready for install and the problem has been resolved. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Hit the thumbs up if you really like this video.